Balitang sports tayo, patuloy po ang pagkolekta ng ginto ng mga manlalaro ng bansa sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand. Yan ang ulat ni Paulo Salamatin.
Patuloy na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa bansa bawat araw ang mga Pilipinong atletang sumasabak sa ginaganap na 33rd Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand, kung saan 4 na ginto, 7 silver at 17 bronze medals ang nalikon ng Pilipinas kahapon. Ito'y sa pangunguna ni Pinay tanker Kayla Sanchez matapos pagrinahan ang women's 100-meter backstroke para ibulsa ang kanyang ikatlong medalya sa kompetisyon.
I'm speechless. It's been a long competition and I still have 4 more events to go, so I'm just taking it day by day, and I knew I had to go out fast and just keep it together and stay calm in the last 50. It's also my dad's birthday today, so I wanted to win this medal for him. I wanted to win gold for the Philippines.
Sumunod ang double gold medal performance sa mga Pinoy skaters sa pangunguna ni 11-year-old Maisel Paris Alegado sa Women's Extreme Park Skateboarding event kasama si Jericho Francisco Jr. na ibinulsa ang kampyonato sa Men's Extreme Park Skateboarding event.
It feels crazy because this is my first SEA Games and I'm so proud to represent the Philippines. You know, it was so hyped. Everyone was like hyping me up. It was so fun, you know, dancing, making new friends, making TikToks. It was so fun.
I can't believe it to be here with the gold medal and my students on here with the gold medal also and the silver medal. A month and a half ago, I already told the boss that we were going to sweep it. I already knew it, and I can't believe that we did it.
Maliban pa rito, nakasungkit din ang gintong medalya sa Filipino judoka Chino Sitang Potyan matapos talunin ang kanyang Indonesian opponent na si Gede Ganding sa finals ng Men's Judo minus 100 kg division via ipon na kanyang tinalo na rin noong mga nakaraang buwan sa naganap na Asian Oceania Sambo Championship sa Queensland, Australia.
For the finals naman po, yun po talaga yung game plan ko kasi kung paano ko siya tinalo nung Oceania via cyclomere, yun din po yung plan ko na para manalo po for this time. So, nag-bait po ako ng attack na makapasok siya. So, para mas madala ko po siya sa Newaza. And nagbunga naman po yung strategy namin.
Wala talaga, pasasalamat lang dahil nakita naman natin binigay lahat ng atleta natin ang makakaya nila. Chino went all the way, got the gold for us, got it for his name, got it for his family, got it for our country. Okay, all our athletes did that. Okay, so aside from Chino, we got the gold today, we got a silver today, courtesy of JB Ferrer. We had medals yesterday also. So nakakatuwa, maraming pasasalamat talaga sa ating mga atleta at sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta ng Philippine Olympic Committee, Philippine Sports Commission, and yung judo community namin sa Philippine Judo Federation. That's a lot of prayers and efforts were put into this. So we celebrate this. This is for the Philippines. This is for you, our countrymen supporting us back home.
Yung ko lang makuha kay Chino, sobrang happy ako sa kanyang accomplishment. Yung masasabi, this is my opinion, the best ever produced. So, complete fighter. Grappling, standing, and also the heart, 100%. Fight IQ, 100%. And also the agility. Ito kasi si Chino, yung, alam mo yung katawan nitong batang to, parang, parang gawa sa bakal.
Sa ngayon, ilang gintong medalya pang nakataya para sa Pilipinas, kung saan maya-maya lamang ay muling dadagdagan ng mga Pilipinong atleta ang talaan na may kasalukuyang 15 golds, 23 silvers at 52 bronze medals na ang Pilipinas. Paulo Salamatin mula sa Philippine Olympic Committee Media para sa Pambansang TV para sa Bagong Pilipinas.